Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to change graphic settings in Archero 2. If you're playing Archero 2 and wondering how to change the graphic settings, then here's how you do it. Open up the Archero 2 game on your device and make sure that you're inside the lobby page. After you're in, go to the top left corner and tap the menu icon. From the expanded menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Graphics from the bottom. Now, right next to graphics, you'll see different options such as low, medium, high. Just select between the graphic settings. Select the graphic that best suits your device, such as low, medium, or high. If you have a low-end device, you can select graphics to low, but if you have a nice performing device, you can choose medium or high option. After you do that, you can also go ahead and change your effects options, and different options are available at the bottom. You can go ahead and customize them. And finally, after you're done, your graphic settings has been changed. If you're experiencing lagging or having trouble seeing enemy attacks during battles, try lowering the effects settings or reducing the graphics, and this will help a lot. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.